keep your secret safe with me.
Nobody knows you're out of control, but I see your side behind the closed doors. They get a glimpse.